Hello, my name is Hector Almendares. I am 25 years old. I am Ecuadorian. I live in Lago Agrio. I am business administration student. Below, I will describe the image of it say ticks. In the image, we can see a city, white manital, white building, surrounded by a lake. White manilar and small boat. It has two bridges and mountain in the background. I would like to visit this place in the future with my family. This city is very nice. Thank you. Goodbye.